Welcome, today we're going to show you how to cancel your subscription on Goodshort. So, if you actually have a subscription and you want to cancel it, the first thing that you need to do is to click on your profile picture on the down right corner. So from here you can see everything about your profile, your statistics in the app, and your subscriptions and anything else. So, to actually cancel your subscription if you have an Android phone, you need to open the Google Play app because on the Google Play you can actually manage all your subscription that you paid through the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone or anything else, you need to check where have you paid your subscription. So if you have paid it inside the app, you need to check from inside the app. If you have paid it from the store, you need to check from the store subscriptions. After that, from here you need to click on your profile picture on the top right. After that, you need to go to payments and subscriptions. And now you need to click on subscriptions. So from here you will see all your active subscriptions. You can just click on cancel on the subscription and now the subscription will end. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.